Plastic recycling machinery in the UK isn't just about washing anymore. It's about process control, stability, and long-term performance. Without engineered filtration, organic solids build up, polymer fines recirculate, pumps wear out too fast, and water systems destabilize. That's why filtration isn't optional. At Rotajet, it's engineered right in. Rotajet designs and manufactures complete plastic recycling machinery systems here in the UK, integrating washing, separation, and filtration into one controlled process. These aren't just standalone machines, they're integrated systems. During washing, water gets contaminated with organic residues, label fragments, fine plastics, and sludge. If that contamination isn't removed efficiently, washing performance drops, maintenance increases, and your flake quality suffers. A typical Rotajet system follows a precise sequence. Plastic enters the friction washer, and contaminated water is discharged. It then passes through engineered screening filtration, and clean water is recirculated. Density separation and drying complete the process. Because the entire system is engineered together, flow rates, mesh sizes, and contamination loads are matched exactly. Before installation, every system can be trialed in Wakefield with your real feedstock, giving you real data and proven results. And before we send it out, each installation undergoes full factory acceptance testing. We do mechanical checks, hydraulic validation, and electrical testing for complete performance verification. This reduces your risk and protects your investment. Some plants add filtration later, but Rotajet engineers it from the start. Integration reduces variability, while add-ons increase it. You can buy, rent, or contract process. Rotajet delivers flexible plastic recycling machinery solutions, engineered in the UK for long-term stability. We don't build isolated equipment, we engineer complete systems. If you'd like to see more on Rotajet plastic recycling, head over to plasticwashing.co.uk or just click the link in the description. Like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.